welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today I'm bringing you another Walmart grocery haul. Normally I spend $100 for one person for 3 meals for 2 weeks. I will say I spent about $150 today, but there's a reason for that. Besides buying my groceries for 2 weeks, I did buy about $35 worth of groceries for Christmas baking because I am starting that soon. I also bought my stuff for Thanksgiving dinner, most of it, not all of it, and I'll explain. And then of course there was a few household items that I don't count in my normal budget, but I'm going to show you everything I got. I'm going to start with the household and the Christmas baking, and then we'll kind of work our way around. So starting over here for household, I got 2 of these 2-packs of paper towels. I was running low. And then some Angel Soft toilet paper, just necessities. And then for Christmas baking here, I have a couple navel oranges. I needed some more pure almond extract. I was running low on vanilla. I normally buy imitation, but I decided to try and upgrade to pure vanilla, so we're gonna see how that goes. I needed some Crisco or shortening, whatever you wanna call it. Honestly, I find these packages where they're like a stick so much better. It's like butter, so it's easier to kind of measure it quickly. Butter, cream cheese. And then I needed to get these partially for Christmas, but I think also partially for Thanksgiving. Ground cinnamon and ground cloves, flour, sugar, and eggs. Over here I got 2 packages of English muffins. If you've been watching for a while, you know I pre-make breakfast sandwiches and throw them in the freezer. And I'm due to make some more tomorrow. Eggs for that as well. And then one of the meals I'm having is going to be very childlike, but mac and cheese. And then I already had popcorn chicken from Walmart in the freezer, so I'm going to have that and then a veggie with it. Just keeping it simple and trying to use what I got. And then for snacks, I decided to try some of these twisted pretzels. I keep seeing them advertised and I kind of wanted to try it. So I got the jalapeno ranch and this one, which is a buttery blend of spices. And then just to stock up, I really honestly prefer these protein plus protein plus pastas. I don't always make meat when I have spaghetti and different pastas, and this is a great way to get the protein without having to have the meat. Again, cost saving. These I just wanted to stock up on. I love these. These are great for like a random breakfast when you want it, and just wanted to prepare and put some in the cupboard. Sugar for my normal day-to-day. And then for lunch, one week I'm just going to make a variety of these and have random rices with some veggies. Just a real simple lunch, easy to heat up. And then over here is mainly meats and cold stuff, but I got 2 things of milk. Again, I've said it before, I'm not lactose intolerant, but these just last longer in the fridge. Taking the easy way out for my breakfast sandwiches. Microwave bacon's easiest. One of the meals I'm making for lunch is going to be, it's like a diced ham and cheesy potato like casserole thing. It's just real easy to make a whole batch of it, and then I can portion it up. This one was just to restock the freezer. I like to keep chicken sausage on hand for random quick meals. This one I wanted to try. It sounded good, but I'm going to make this with pierogies and onions later this week. Just some ground beef. When I buy beef, I always try to plan 2 meals that will use it so I don't waste any. So half of this will be for tacos, and the other half I'm doing a zucchini ground beef skillet meal I found on Pinterest. String cheese, just like to have it in the fridge for a snack. I like these ultra thin sliced cheese for my breakfast sandwiches. I needed some cream cheese for the zucchini skillet. I got shredded hash browns. And then I just got a real fancy cheese shredder thing that I kept seeing a couple different people use on Pinterest, or not Pinterest, YouTube. And it looks so much easier. And in all honesty, a bag of cheese with this amount in it is like double what this block of cheese is. So I was like, I think I'm gonna just start buying block cheese and shredding my own. So I got 2 of those for random things, pepper jack tacos. Cheddar I need for the cheesy ham, and I think also actually for that zucchini skillet. And then back here I got just to stock up broccoli cheese sauce. I do not buy family size, but they were out of the regular one, so they upgraded it. I'm not complaining, no extra cost for me. These are the pierogies that I'm gonna make to go with the chicken sausage. And then of course green leaf lettuce for tacos, onion for a few of those dishes. In the winter I alternate having hot oatmeal, and I like to throw in some extras. So for like the first week, because I do it 2 breakfasts out of the week, I'll do like banana and peanut butter, and then lately I've been doing apples and peanut butter in that. And then tomatoes for tacos, obviously zucchini for the zucchini dish. And then in this corner is Thanksgiving for the most part. I got a turkey breast. This one is boneless. It's just gonna be me, so I don't want like a ton. This will work, and I can have leftovers and make other meals with it when I get to that point. Obviously instant potatoes, green beans, cream of mushroom soup to make, you know, green bean casserole. I got stuffing. I also already had like gravy in the cupboard. And just to explain more on the Thanksgiving, I know it's too soon because this is like November 4th, to get like rolls, so that I'll get when we get closer. I just wanted to buy the things that I needed because I keep hearing, and I hate to say it, but things about shortages. And I thought, well, I'm gonna get what I can get now and put it aside so I'm not like scrambling or can't find something to make my meal. So I'll get that, and then I'm gonna make like a pie, a dessert, which you'll see in a video as well later, but I didn't get the ingredients for that all the way. I have the pumpkin in the cupboard, but I didn't buy any of the other stuff, so I'll buy that when we get closer. But here's an overview again of what we have on this counter. Okay, so that's my Walmart grocery haul this week. Yes, it was a little bit more, but I don't think 150 is that bad considering everything extra I bought. Like I mentioned, it's just me, but that is breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 2 weeks, plus my Thanksgiving dinner for the most part, and a lot of stuff for baking for Christmas and household necessities, which gotta have, but I don't count that out of my budget. So, hope you enjoyed, hope you got some ideas, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.